In this video, we are going to understand some of the fundamentals of the OLED display. OLED, which stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, is a display which are widely used in embedded system due to their low power consumption, high contrast, and ability to function without backlighting. Unlike LCDs, OLED emits their own light, making them more efficient and easier to read in various lighting conditions. This display comes in different resolution and communication interface, primarily I2C and SPI. The most commonly used models include SSD1306 and SH1106, which are available in different sizes like 128x64 and 128x32 pixels. So there are two communication interface. I2C, which is a two-wire interface, require only two data lines, SDA and SCL, and is preferred for simple communication. SPI, which stands for Serial Peripheral Interface, uses multiple data lines, which are MOSI, MISO, serial clock, and chip select, and offers faster data transfer, ideal for application needing high refresh rates. So these are the applications of OLED display. They're commonly used in various projects and industry due to their compact size and high visibility. Some typical applications include wearable device, which includes smartwatches, fitness tracker, and health monitoring system. An embedded system for displaying sensor data, system status, or real-time monitoring. It can be used in IoT projects, providing feedback on smart devices such as home automation panels. Industrial application includes machine interface, diagnostic, and error reporting. Now, how you can display text and graphics on the OLED display? OLED display can be used to present various type of content, including static text, scrolling message, real-time sensor reading, and graphical icons. The display supports multiple font size and styles, allowing for customization based on project need. Additionally, OLED can render simple animation and visual element such as progress bar and data charts. For graphical application, bitmap image can be converted into a format compatible with the display. This allows for more visibility, appealing interface such as logo, icons, and custom graphics.